Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as a crypto trader, do you know you can actually earn money without even trading? You are shocked, right? So in this video, we are going to be revealing to you how crypto lending works on Gate.io. So on the Gate.io interface, so what you need to do is to click Gate Finance. So once you click on Gate Finance, it should open up this new interface for you. So Gate Finance offers a whole lot of options like liquidity mining, hold and earn your currency products, margin lending, periodic investment plans, trading crypto loans. So we are going to be making videos on each of these to explain better what they do. So what you need to do is to click on margin lending. Okay, so clicking on margin lending, it should open up this for you. So with margin lending, you can also actually lend out your cryptocurrency and interest on them. So from here you can see that the cryptocurrency that will have active is worth USD. So you can actually click on that particular link now to see other options. You can select from which other options that you want to lend depending on the crypto asset that you have, but because we don't have any particular crypto assets on the other options, we just leave it as it is. So just click on hide balance and you leave what is there by default. So you have less or and USDT, so select USDT. So you have lend USDT, so the amount of USDT TV that I want to lend you, can click all. I can just select the quantity that I want to lend, so it was not on to lend the minimum, which is 100 USDT. So I can decide to select the rates. Alright, so the rate is the percentage that I want to try for the crypto that I want to lend, right? So you can charge between 0.01 to 1%. So 1% is the highest. You cannot charge more than 1%. This is just for educational purpose. This is not financial advice. So I don't want the trade to be triggered. So I just hit the highest, which is 1%. Definitely nobody want to get my money for 1% per day. So I guess it will never get triggered. So as a period is for what, 10 days. So after I have entered all the parameters, you have period of the day. So you have 10 days insulated by default. That is a minimum that you can go higher. So you can decide to go with the market price. If you go with the market price of the lending, then this will be grayed out. You can not select this anymore. If you click on auto renew, so after the 10 days your lending rate to be renewed. It's actually very easy to make passive income. Supposing you have $10,000, suppose you have $100,000, getting a daily return, at least a percentage daily return on that particular that I have, is actually a way to make money on Gate.io without trading. It's not super awesome, so I'm going to click on this auto renew. I am going to deactivate this market price and I am going to enter my own percentage I want to enter, and then I click on what. Okay, so after I quickly enter full password, so after entering front password I hit on watch. Okay, and the trade will be what triggered. Remember my available USDT before now. So when I go down, you see my offer is to lend out 100 USDT at the rate of 1% per day for a period of 10 days. So if someone eventually pick this, so after 10 days I'll be getting 110 USD. Does it make sense? Because 1% for $100 is $1, right? So but this rate is actually very high. That's why it should not be picked. That I was actually conscious when I took this rate, because I know that it's very high. Nobody will pick it because I am making this video. That's why I want to explain to you. I can click on auto, and so that it renews automatically after 10 days. So I can click on this arrow here now to see more details about this particular order. You will see in progress and see the other details. So I can click back. So if you click on these three dots here, you should wait to see cancel order. So I can decide to cancel this order, or I can decide to leave it. Once you click the other tab, you can see collecting, you can see close. Under collecting, you should be able to see the lending that is actually active at the moment. So the money that you are lending, that is actually active, and the percentage interest that you got in for that particular time, but that it is open. So close the ones that has done and it's already over. You can go ahead to cancel this particular lending setup, and it cancel just like you can see your trade. Hope you got value in this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching. and I will see you in the next one.